Today, sample question for respiratory system and for notes at 21. Question number 1. An adult client is to have a sputum for culture. When is the best time for the nurse to collect the specimen? When is the best time for the nurse to collect the specimen? Sputum specimen collection करना है. Option 1 in the morning, right after the awaken. Option 2 immediately after breakfast. Option 3 2 hours after eating. Option 4 shortly before he retires for the evening. Guess answer. Option 1 in the morning, right after the awaken. Option 2 immediately after breakfast. Option 3 2 hours after eating. Option 4 shortly before the retire for the evening. Sputum culture specimen. Best time. Option 1 is right answer. In the morning, right after the awaken. Question number 2. Question number 2. A thoracentesis was performed on an adult client. Thoracentesis performed. After the procedure, the client has hemoptysis and a pulse of 80, respiration of 28, and temperature of 99 degree Fahrenheit. Which of these is the greatest concern on the nurse? Greatest concern to the nurse. Hemoptysis, respiration of 28, pulse of 80, temperature of 99 degree Fahrenheit. Greatest concern to the nurse. Greatest concern to the nurse is hemoptysis. Option 1 is right answer. Option 1 is right answer. Option 1 is right answer. Hemoptysis is right answer. Option. Next question. Next question. Question number 3. Next question. Question number 3. An adult client is to have postural drainage 4 times a day. Postural drainage 4 times a day. In developing the care plan, the nurse should schedule this for. The nurse should schedule this for 4 times postural drainage. Option 1 7 a.m., 11 a.m., 4 a.m., 4 p.m. and 10 p.m. Option 2 10 a.m., 2 p.m., 6 p.m. and 10 p.m. Option 3 6 a.m., 12 noon, 6 p.m., 12 midnight. Option 4 6 a.m., 10 a.m., 2 p.m. and 6 p.m. Option 1 is right answer. Option 1 is right answer. 7 a.m., 11 a.m., 4 p.m. and 10 p.m. Next question. Next question. Question number 4. Next question. Next question. Question number 4. Question number 4. Question number 4. An adult man has a tracheostomy tube in place. Tracheostomy tube in place. Which of the following action is most appropriate for the nurse to take when suctioning the tracheostomy? Which of the following action is most appropriate for the nurse to take when suctioning the tracheostomy? Option 1. Use a straw tube each time. Use a straw tube each time and suction for 30 seconds. And suction for 30 seconds. Option 2. Use straw technique and turn the suction off as the catheter is introduced. Use straw technique and turn the suction off as the catheter is introduced. Option 3. Option 3. Use clean technique and suction for 10 seconds. Use clean technique and suction for 10 seconds. Use clean technique and suction for 10 seconds. Option 4. Option 4. Discard the catheter at the end of every shift. Discard the catheter at the end of every shift. Discard the catheter at the end of every shift. Most appropriate action when suctioning the tracheostomy. When suctioning the tracheostomy. Option 2 is right answer. Option 2 is right answer. Use straw technique and turn the suction off as the catheter is introduced. Use straw technique and turn the suction off as catheter is introduced. Option 2 is right answer. Option 2 is right answer. Question number 5. Question number 5. Question number 5. During suctioning of a tracheostomy tube, the catheter appears to touch the tracheal wall and create a pulling sensation. What is the best action for the nurse to take? What is the best action for the nurse to take? Pulling sensation and tracheal wall and create a pulling sensation. Correct answer. Option 1 is release the suction by opening the vent. Option 2, continue suctioning to remove the obstruction. Option 3 is increase the pressure. Option 4 is suction deeper. Guess your answer. Guess your answer. Option 1 is right answer. Release the suction by opening the vent. Release the suction by opening the vent. Next question. Question number 6. Question number 6. A client comes to the clinic with a bloody nose. A client comes to clinic with a bloody nose. Which instruction is most appropriate? Which instruction is most appropriate? Option 1. Sit up with your hand tilt forward. Grasp the soft part of your nose between your thumb and forefinger. Option 2. Lay down and tilt your head backward. Grasp the end of nose between your finger. Option 3. Sit up and lean backward. Put pressure on the side of your nose with your hand. Option 4. Lie down with your head lower than your feet. Grasp much of your nose as possible between your finger. Option 1 is right answer. Option 1 is right answer. Next question. Next question. Question number 7. A client is admitted with a diagnosis of cancer of larynx. Cancer of larynx. Which statement made by the client is most likely related to the cause of his illness? Option 1. I have always enjoyed hot Mexican style food. Mexican style food. Option 2. I have smoked 3 packets of cigarette a day for the last 40 years. Option 3. I used to work in factory that burn coal. Option 4. I sang in the church choir every Sunday until my voice got hoarse last year. Option 2 is right answer. I have smoked 3 packets of cigarette in a day for the last 40 years is right answer. Option 2 is right answer. Next question. Question number 8. During the preoperative period, which nursing action will be greatest priority for a person who is to have a laryngectomy? Option 1. Establish a mean of communication. Option 2. Prepare the vowel by administering enema until clear. Option 3 is teach the client to use artificial larynx. Option 4. Demonstrate the technique for the suctioning laryngectomy tube. Guess your answer and comment. Guess your answer and comment. Guess your answer and comment. Option 1 is right answer. Option 1 is right answer. Establish a mean of communication is right answer. Next question. Question number 9. Question number 9. A 62-year-old man is admitted with emphysema and acute upper respiratory infection. Oxygen is ordered at 2 liters per minute. The reason for the low flow oxygen is 2. The reason for low flow oxygen is 2. Option 1. Prevent excessive drying of secretion. Option 2. Facilitate oxygen diffusion of the blood. Option 3. Prevent depression of the respiratory drive. Option 4. Compensate for increased respiratory resistance. Guess your answer and comment. Guess your answer and comment. Guess your answer and comment. Option 3 is right answer. Option 3 is right answer. Prevent depression of the respiratory drive. Option 3 is right answer. Option 3 is right answer. Prevent depression of the respiratory drive. Next question. Question number 10. Question number 10. Next question. Question number 10. Question number 10. Next question. Question number 10. An adult is admitted with chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. An adult is admitted with COPD. The nurse notes that he has neck, bend, distension, and slight peripheral edema. Slight peripheral edema. The practical nurse notifies the registered nurse and continues frequent assessment because the nurse knows that these signs signal the onset of which following. These signs signal onset of the following: neck bend, distension, and slight peripheral edema. Neck bend, distension, and slight peripheral edema. Option 1 is pneumothorax. Option 2 is cor pulmonale. Option 2 is cor pulmonale. Option 3 is cardiogenic shock. Option 3 is cardiogenic shock. Option 4 left-sided heart failure. Option 4 left-sided heart failure. Option 4 left-sided heart failure. Right answer is cor pulmonale. Right answer is cor pulmonale. Right answer is cor pulmonale. Next question. Question number 11. Question number 11. A 79-year-old client is admitted to the hospital. A 79-year-old client is admitted to the hospital with a diagnosis of pneumococcal pneumonia. With a diagnosis of pneumococcal pneumonia. The client has dyspnea. The client has dyspnea. The client's temperature is 102 degree Fahrenheit. Respiration at 36 and pulse is 92. Bed rest is ordered for the client primarily to option 1 promote thoracic expansion, option 2 prevent the development of atelectasis, option 3 decrease metabolic needs, option 4 prevent infection of others. Guess your answer and comment. 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 Option 3 is right answer. Option 3 is right answer. Decrease metabolic needs. Option 3 is right answer. Option 3 is right answer. Decrease metabolic needs. Decrease metabolic needs. Option 3 is right answer. Option 3 is right answer. Question number 12. Question number 12. Question number 12. An adult is to have a tracheostomy performed. Option. An adult is have tracheostomy performed. What is the nursing priority? What is the nursing priority? Option 3 save the neck. Option 2 establish a mean of communication. Establish a mean of communication. Option 3 insert a Foley's catheter. Insert a Foley's catheter. Option 4 start IV line. Start IV line. Start IV line. Guess your answer and comment. 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 Option 2 is right answer. Option 2 is right answer. Option 2 is right answer. Establish a communication. Establish a mean of communication is right answer. Establish a mean of communication is right answer. Next question. Question number 13. Question number 13. Question number 13. Which nursing action is essential during tracheostomy, tracheal suctioning? Which nursing action is essential during tracheal suctioning? Tracheal suction के दौरान important essential action. Important essential action. Option 1. Option 1. Option 1. Tracheal suctioning के दौरान important essential action. Option 1. Using a lubricant such as petroleum jelly. Use a lubricant such as petroleum jelly. Option 2. Administering 100% oxygen before and after suctioning. Administer 100% oxygen before and after suctioning. Option 3. Making sure the suction catheter is open or on during injection. Making sure the suction catheter is open or on during injection. Option 4. Assisting the client. Assisting the client to assume a supine position during suctioning. Assisting the client to assume a supine position during suctioning. Guess your answer. Guess your answer. Guess your answer. Answer number 2. Answer number 2 is right answer. Answer number 2 is right answer. Option 2 number is right answer. Administering 100% oxygen before and after suction is right answer. Next question. Question number 14. Question number 14. Next question. Question number 14. Next question. Question number 14. An adult has a chest drainage system. An adult has a chest drainage system. Several hours after the chest tube was inserted. Several hours after the chest tube was inserted, the nurse observed that there is no bubbling in the water seal chamber. No bubbling in the water seal chamber. What is the most likely reason for the absence of bubbling? What is the most likely reason for the absence of bubbling? Option 1. The client lungs has re-expand. Option 2. There is an obstruction in the tubing coming from the client. Option 3. There is a mechanical problem in the pump. Option 4. Air is leakage in the drainage apparatus. Air is leaking into the drainage apparatus. Guess your answer and comment. Guess your answer and comment. Guess your answer and comment. Option 2 is right answer. Option 2 is right answer. Option 2 is right answer. There is an obstruction in the tubing coming from the client. There is an obstruction in the tubing coming from the client is right answer. Next question. Question number 15. Question number 15. An adult has chest drainage system. The client's wife reports to the nurse that her husband is restless. that her husband is restless. The nurse entered the room just in time to see him pull out his chest tube. Pull out his chest tube. The most appropriate action for the nurse to take is to option 1. Go get petroleum gauze and apply over the wound. Option 2. Place her his hand firmly over the wound. Option 3. Apply a sterile 4 into 4 dressing. 4 option. Reinsert the chest tube. Reinsert the chest tube. Right answer and comment guess. Option 2 is right answer. Option 2 is right answer. Place her his hand firmly over the one. Over the one is right answer. Next question. Question number 16. An adult has a negative purified protein derivative test when he was first employed 2 years ago. A year later, the client has a positive PPD test and a negative chest X-ray. This indicates that is that time the client option 1 was less susceptible to a tuberculosis infection than the year before, had acquired some degree of passive immunity to tuberculosis, had option 3 had fought the microbacterium tuberculosis but had not developed active tuberculosis. Option 4 was harboring a mild tuberculosis infection in an organ other than lungs. Option 3 is right answer. Option 3 is right answer. Had fought the microbacterium tuberculosis but has not developed active tuberculosis. Had fought the microbacterium tuberculosis but not developed active tuberculosis. Option 3 is right answer. Option 3 is right answer. Next question. Question number 17. Question number 17. An adult is being treated with isoniazid and streptomycin for active tuberculosis. Which of the following symptoms would suggest a toxic effect of isoniazid? Toxic effect of isoniazid. Toxic effect of isoniazid. Option 1 paroxysmal tachycardia. Option 2 arrhythmia multiforme. Option 3 peripheral neuritis. Peripheral neuritis. Option 4 tinnitus and deafness. Option 4 tinnitus and deafness. Option 4 is tinnitus and deafness. Option 3 is right answer. Option 3 is right answer. Option 3 is right answer. Peripheral neuritis is the toxic effect of isoniazid. Isoniazid has a toxic effect of peripheral neuritis. Option 3 is right answer. Next question. Question number 18. Question number 18. Question number 18. An adult is being treated with isoniazid and streptomycin for active tuberculosis. He is also receiving pyridoxine. Vitamin B6. Why is the medication prescribed for him? पैराडॉक्सिन क्यों दिया जाता है? ऑप्शन 1 पैराडॉक्सिन इज बैक्टीरियोस्टेटिक अगेंस्ट माइकोबैक्टीरियम ट्यूबरकुलोसिस. ऑप्शन 2 टू एनहेंस हिज जर्नल न्यूट्रिशनल स्टेटस. टू एनहेंस हिज जर्नल न्यूट्रिशनल स्टेटस. ऑप्शन 3 to prevent side effect of isoniazid. Option 4 pyridoxine acts to increase the effect of streptomycin. Option 3 is right answer. To prevent side effect of isoniazid. To prevent side effect of isoniazid is right answer. Next question. Question number 19. The wife of a client with active tuberculosis has a positive skin test for tuberculosis. She is to be started on prophylactic drugs disease. What drug is the drug of choice for prophylaxis of tuberculosis? Option 1 streptomycin. Option 2 para-aminosalicylic acid. Option 3 isoniazid. Option 4 is ethambutol. Drug of choice for prophylaxis of tuberculosis. Option 3 is right answer. Option 3 is right answer. Isoniazid is prophylaxis drugs of tuberculosis. Is right answer. Option 3 is right answer. Next question. Question number 3. Question number 20. Question number 20. Question number 20. A farmer who had a cough for several months has noticed a lack of energy lately. He is being tested for histoplasmosis. He is being tested for histoplasmosis. Which factor reported by the client? Which factor reported by the client would be most related to the diagnosis of histoplasmosis? Which factor reported by the client? would be most related to the diagnosis of histoplasmosis? Option 1, he drinks raw milk. Option 2, the cleans chicken houses. Option 3, he handle fertilizer frequently. Option 4, he stopped stepped on a rusty nail recently. Option 2 is right answer. He cleans chicken houses. He cleans chicken houses is right answer. Option 2 is right answer. Next question 21. The nurse is caring for a client who is admitted with histoplasmosis. What drug is most likely to be prescribed for the client? What drug is most likely to be prescribed for this client? Option 1, penicillin. Option 2, chloromycetin. Option 3, streptomycin. Option 4, amphotericin B. Option 4, amphotericin B. Histoplasmosis. Prescribed drugs. Option 4 is right answer. Option 4 is right answer. Amphotericin B is right answer. Amphotericin B is right answer. Right answer. Option 4 is right answer. Next question. Question number 22. An adult is to be have a thoracentesis performed. What should the nurse do while preparing the client for this procedure? Option 1, keep him NPO for 8 hours. Option 2, prepare him to go to the operative room. Option 3, explain the procedure to him. Option 4, administer anticholinergic and analgesic as ordered. Guess your answer. Option 3 is right 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 answer. Next question. Question number 23. Question number 23. The nurse is planning care for a client who has COPD. Which statement is the most likely to say about activity intolerance? Activity tolerance. The option 1. The most difficult time of the day for me is the first hour after waking up in the morning. Option 2, I feel best in the morning after a good night's sleep. Option 3, I seem to have more energy after eating a big meal. Option 4, I don't know why, but I get my second wind at night and do not want to go to bed. Option 1 is right answer. The most difficult time of the day for me is the first hour after waking up in the morning is right answer. Option 1 is right answer. Option 1 is right answer. Next question. Question number 24. The nurse is caring for a woman who is admitted with pneumonia. On admission, she client is anxious and short of breath but able to respond to questions. 1 hour later, the client become more dysnic and less responsive, answering only yes and no question. What is the best action for the nurse to take this time? Option 1, stimulate the client until the client responds. Option 2, increase the oxygen from the record 6 to 10 liter. Option 3, assess the client again in 15 minutes. Option 4, notify the change nurse of the change in the client's mental status. Option 4 is right answer. Notify the charge nurse of the change in the client mental status. Question number 25. Question number 25. A client PPD test is positive and chest X-ray is negative. What is the best interpretation of these data? The client resistant to tuberculosis is low. The client has been exposed to organism but not developed the disease. Option 3. The client is tuberculosis but is the not serious. Option 4. The client has active tuberculosis. The client has active tuberculosis. Option 1, the client resistant to tuberculosis is low. Option 2, the client has been exposed to the organism but has not developed the client. Option 3, the client has tuberculosis but is not serious. Option 4, the client has active tuberculosis. Option 2 is right answer. Option 2 is right answer. The client has been exposed to the organism but has not developed the disease. Is right answer. Option 2 is right answer. Next question 26. An adult with tuberculosis has started taking rifampicin. Which side effect is the client most likely to experience when taking these drugs? Reddish orange color of urine. Reddish orange color of urine. Sputum and saliva. Sputum and saliva. Option 2, arrhythmia and urticaria. Arrhythmia and urticaria. Option 3, tinnitus and deafness. Tinnitus and deafness. Tinnitus and deafness. Tinnitus and deafness. Option 4 is peripheral neuritis. Option 4 is neuritis. Peripheral neuritis. Peripheral neuritis. Peripheral neuritis. Peripheral neuritis. Option 4 is peripheral neuritis. 26. Side effect of rifampicin. Side effect of rifampicin. Side effect of rifampicin. Option 1 is right answer. Option 1 is right answer. Reddish orange color of urine, sputum and saliva. Next question, question number 27. Question number 27. Which laboratory test should the nurse client receive before prophylactic drug therapy for tuberculosis is started? Option 1. Serum creatinine and blood urea nitrogen, AST and SGOT, and ALT and SGPT. Option 3 is CBC and hematocrit. Option 4 WBC and urinalysis. Prophylactic drug therapy of tuberculosis is started. Laboratory test to be received. Option 1. Serum creatinine and BUN, AST and ALT, CBC and hematocrit, and WBC and urinalysis. Option 2 is right answer. Option 2 is right, and AST and ALT is right answer. Next question, 28. A client who had a laryngectomy is nearly ready for discharge. Which instruction is most appropriate for the nurse to give? Option 1. Always be sure you have body with you when you go swimming and watering. Option 2. You may take a tub bath, but you should not take a shower. Option 3. Be sure to have only liquids for another 3 weeks. Option 4. Never cover your stomach with anything. Option 2 is right answer. Option 2 is right answer. You may take a tub bath, but you should not take a shower. Next question. Question number 29. A client asks the nurse why inspiration through a nose is preferable to inspiring through the mouth. What is the best response? Option 1 is produce greater blood oxygen level. Option 2 is it is easier to breathe through the nose. Option 3, the nairs humidify, warm and filter the air. Option 4, mouth breathing dilute the air and reduce the amount of air entering the lungs. Option 3 is right answer. Option 3 is right answer. The nurse humidified and warm and filter the air is right answer. Next question, question number 13. Question number 30. Question number 30. While the nurse is suctioning a tracheostomy tube, the client start to cough. What is the best action for the nurse to take? Option 1, suction deeper to pick up secretion. Gently withdraw suction during a allow suction and cupping out of mucus. Next option, option number 3. Option number 3, remove the suction as quickly as possible. Option 4, put the suction tube in and out several times to pick up secretion. Option 2 is right answer. Option 2 is right answer. Option 2 is right answer. Gently withdraw suction tubing to allow suction or cupping out of mucus is right answer. 30 is 13 to right answer.